This episode contains adult content and language. This may not be suitable for all listeners.
So YANA, Najib's daughter, is disappointed by Najib's reduced jail term and fine. Upset. Okay. Why don't we speak to the new Agong and the Prime Minister and the Pardons Board? Janganlah bagi YANA tak happy. Okay. Since she's upset with the reduced jail and fine, now let's reverse this and increase the jail term from 12 years, tambah 6 tahun jadi 18 tahun, and 210 million, multiply 4, bagi jadi 800 juta. Okay, now, YANA, how you feel now? Boleh? Since you're very unhappy, so disappointed on the reduced term of the jail sentence and the denda, so let's make you happy. We double it better. Bapak you punya ni tak payah double lah, tambah 50% cukup lah, takkan banyak sangat. Nanti dia tak ada, you tak boleh jumpa dia sebelum dia keluar ni kan, he may die in jail. Kan? Assuming dia tak kena lagi all the other charges lah. So YANA, that's my message to you lah. You bloody INGRATE.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.